So here's the process of the desk. All everything's working. Set the monitor. I gotta get that thing for it to support my computer, and I gotta get a DVI HDMI line. I got the speakers plugged in, and got the power strip down there now. And then I got the lamp going, so that's make sure the lamp actually works. You see the lamp works. The clock's going. Computer's going. Computer's actually plugged in. So, and then I got the chair. I got to clean off everything off of it, and like I said, and just this powder slicer I got for this. It's just long enough. I can actually put down over there, and in the corner here. And I got a whole bunch of power boxes. So that's what I got in. So yeah.